The Infinix S5 was launched a couple of days ago at Echo Hotels and Suites to so much fanfare, and comparing this smartphone to its predecessor, the Infinix S4, you get an improved design, improved display, cameras, and a couple of other features that make this device really cool. Now, in terms of specifications and offerings, the Infinix S5 comes in 4 variants: the 6GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. Then you also get the light versions with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and also 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Now for specifications, the Infinix S5 comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display. It's a 720p screen that's capped at 266 ppi. It comes with Android 9 power with XOX 5.5 on top. You get an Octa-core Mediatek 6761, that's a Helio P22 processor. Then you get a 16 megapixel main, a 5 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. Up front, you get a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, you've got 4G LTE, you've got a fingerprint sensor at the rear of the device, and it comes with a 4000 mAh non-removable battery. So without a doubt, the Infinix S5 has a design that's going to have you taking a second look at this phone, and you might probably confuse this phone for a smartphone from some other brand. And this goes to say that Infinix went beyond the norm to make the smartphone look very classy. Turning up to the front of the device, you're presented with that main feature, which is the 6.6-inch hole punch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720p, and this is what makes this device look absolutely beautiful. It's a large screen, it's very huge, it's bright, but it's capped at 720p, which for me was kind of a bummer, but I understand because they're trying to keep the price point low for this device. Now, I had a very short time holding this device, so I wasn't able to take pictures on the device. Now, in terms of pricing, the 6GB and 128GB option, it will be going for 62,500 naira. For the Infinix X5 4GB and 64GB variant, it will be going for 53,000 naira. Now, for the Infinix S5 Lite, which comes in 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, that will be going for 46,500 naira. And for the S5 Lite with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, that will be going for 42,500 naira. All the prices are on the screen right now and also in the dollar conversion. So guys, what do I think about the Infinix S5? Well, I'm pretty much impressed with what Infinix has done here. In terms of the look and feel, I'm really impressed. I like the way the screen looks. I like the build quality, although it's made of plastic, but it's not a bad thing in my opinion. Plastic doesn't break when it falls, glass does, so you can choose which one you prefer. The one thing I do not like from the little time I spent with the device is the fact that it's got a lot of bloatware, and I think that Infinix should look into dropping all these bloatware apps. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Infinix S5, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be bringing you my full unboxing and full review of the Infinix S5 very soon. And again, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.